The F20 error code on your Maytag 4000 series washer means it's not filling with water properly. This usually indicates a problem with the water inlet valve or the water supply itself. It signifies the washer has detected insufficient water flow or pressure within a specific time frame, typically 8 to 10 minutes. Addressing this promptly prevents potential damage like motor burnout or tub overflow. Before diving in, check the basics. Ensure the water supply is turned on fully. Inspect the water hoses for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Low water pressure below 20 psi can also trigger the F20 error. Use a water pressure gauge to confirm adequate pressure. Make sure the shutoff valves are fully open. Locate the water inlet valve at the back of the washer where the hoses connect. Disconnect the hoses carefully from the inlet valve. Carefully remove the inlet valve screen from the valve. Clean the screen thoroughly with a brush to remove any sediment or debris. Mineral buildup is a common culprit that can block water flow. Reinstall the screen and hoses securely to ensure proper connection. If cleaning the inlet valve screen doesn't resolve the F20 error, the valve itself might be faulty due to mineral buildup or electrical issues. For safety, first unplug the washer to prevent electrical hazards. Use a multimeter set to continuity mode to test the inlet valve. Connect the probes to the valve terminals and check for a complete electrical path. Continuity means the circuit is closed. If the multimeter shows no continuity, the valve solenoid is defective and needs replacement. Replacement inlet valves for Maytag 4000 series washers typically cost between $20 and $100, depending on the supplier. Safety is crucial when working with appliances. First, unplug the washer from the electrical outlet to prevent electric shock. Then, turn off the hot and cold water supply valves behind the machine. Put on safety gloves to protect your hands during the repair. Now disconnect the faulty inlet valve. Carefully remove the hot and cold water hoses from the valve ports using pliers if needed. Then, unplug the electrical wiring harness from the valve solenoid. Make note of the wire colors and positions for proper reconnection later. Remove the old inlet valve from the washer cabinet. Use a screwdriver to loosen and remove the mounting screws, securing the valve to the back panel. Carefully pull the valve out through the access hole. Inspect the mounting area for any damage or debris. Install the new inlet valve. Position it in the same location as the old valve, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly with the mounting screws. Make sure the valve sits tightly against the washer cabinet to prevent leaks. Reconnect all components to the new valve. Plug the wiring harness back onto the solenoid, matching the wire colors you noted earlier. Reattach the hot and cold water hoses, tightening them securely to prevent leaks. Double-check that everything is properly connected before proceeding. Complete the repair by slowly turning on the water supply valves to check for leaks. Plug the washer back in and run a test cycle to ensure the F20 error is resolved. For more detailed guidance, consider watching a professional tutorial video specific to your Maytag model. Hard water contains minerals that can build up in your washing machine's inlet valve, causing recurring F20 errors. These deposits restrict water flow, triggering the F20 code when the washer can't fill properly. To address hard water issues, consider installing a water softener system that removes minerals from your water supply. Alternatively, install a water filter on the inlet hose to trap minerals before they reach the valve. Regularly descale your machine by running an empty wash cycle with white vinegar instead of detergent. These steps prevent mineral deposits and help prolong the life of your inlet valve, reducing F20 error occurrences. If you've tried the above steps and the F20 error persists, it might indicate a more complex issue. Problems like faulty wiring, a malfunctioning control board, or internal leaks require professional diagnosis and repair. Contact a qualified appliance technician to avoid further damage. To prevent future F20 errors, perform annual maintenance, including cleaning the inlet valve screen and descaling the washer. Maytag's future washers may feature predictive analytics to alert users of potential issues before failure. Regularly check for updates to the Maytag app for troubleshooting assistance. Staying proactive can extend the life of your appliance.